it's good. Hi everyone, my name is Kayla. I am the head of beverage creative for the Speakeasy Group. We are going to be making a whiskey sour called the Malthouse Maiden. So when we talk about whiskey sours, generally you have a whiskey base. The Balvenie Double 12-year-old does have a beautiful honeyed sherry note to it. The next thing that we're gonna go in with is our homemade ingredient, fig and maple syrup. If you don't have figs at home in your pantry, do not fear. Maybe do an apricot. If it is dried, it will be able to be used. For our citrus element, first our lemon juice. Also a little bit of orange juice. And the last thing that we're gonna add to our tin before we dry shake is going to be our egg white. We are creating that really beautiful foamy, frothy texture that we all know and love in a whiskey sour. Shake nice and hard. We're gonna go in with our cubed ice and shake again. Key trick to getting the red wine float on absolutely perfectly at home is to make sure you allow this to settle. So once you can see a nice line there, the float's ready to go on. When we are floating red wine, you do want something with a little bit of body to it. Anything that kind of sits near a Shiraz is a great option. Garnish, flamed rosemary. And there we have it, Malthouse Maiden. I hope you give it a try at home and enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it.